Panasonic Electric Works India is a wholly owned subsidiary of the multinational electronics corporation Panasonic. Located in Sri City, Andhra Pradesh, PEWIN is a key player in the electronics manufacturing sector in India. In a recent announcement, the company's management revealed plans to make a significant investment of Rs 3,000 crore over the next 3 to 4 years to expand its manufacturing plant. This strategic move aims to boost their manufacturing capabilities and in turn increase their exports from India. The company's commitment to expanding its operation in India reflects its dedication to the country's growing electronic market and its goal to contribute to the nation's export-driven growth. The question stands how far it is aimed at. Hi everybody. The company believes that India is in a strategic position and they aim to make the country a hub for exports. This strategic move aims to boost their manufacturing capabilities and in turn increase their exports from India. The company's commitment to expanding its operation in India reflects its dedication to the country's growing electronics market and its goal to contribute to the nation's export-driven growth. The statement by Nandwani regarding looking for more opportunities to grow both organically and inorganically post the completion of the Shri plant in FY26 suggests that Panasonic Electric Works India has ambitious expansion plans. Here's what the statement implies. Number 1 is organic growth. Organic growth typically refers to the company's expansion through internal initiatives such as increasing production capacity, expanding product lines, or entering new markets within its core business areas. In this case, this might involve further expanding its manufacturing capabilities, introducing new product, or targeting additional regions within India or globally. The second we have is inorganic growth. Inorganic growth usually involves mergers and acquisitions or partnership with other companies to quickly expand the business. The company may be considering acquiring other companies to forming strategic alliances to strengthen its position in the market. The third is strategic planning. The statement indicates that the company has a long-term strategic plan in place extending beyond the completion of the Sri City plant in FY26. The fourth is commitment to expansion. Its commitment to seeking growth and opportunity reflects its confidence in the market, its willingness to invest in its business, and its desire to remain competitive and relevant in the industry. Ahead, learners studying from a case study perspective can glean several insights and lessons. Number 1 is capacity utilization. Learners can understand the concept of capacity utilization in manufacturing. The fact that the plant currently operates at 50% production utilization indicates there is a room for expansion and increased production to maximize efficiency. Number 2 is growth strategy. The company's intention to further develop the Sri City plant and utilize the remaining 2/3 of the land demonstrates a growth strategy. Learners can learn about the importance of the expansion to meet growing demand and explore new markets. Number 3 is export orientation. The companies plan to use the expanded plant for export purposes to cater to the Middle East and the African market, highlights the significance of international trade and market diversification. Number 4 is market expansion. The expansion into the Middle East and African market suggests that the company is looking beyond its domestic market for growth opportunity. This demonstrates the strategic thinking required to tap into the new customer bases. Fifth is investment timing. The company's timeline for the completion provides insight into long-term planning and investment timing. Learners can understand how companies set their timelines for the expansion project. Number 6 is efficiency improvement. As the plant expands, the company likely plans to increase its production utilization. Students can explore strategies for optimizing production efficiencies and the benefits of doing so. Number 7 is competitive advantage. By expanding and entering new markets, the company aims to gain a competitive advantage. Learners can study how companies strive to differentiate themselves in the marketplace. Number 8 is supply chain management. Expanding it for the purpose involves efficient management. This provides an opportunity to delve into the complexities of supply chain logistics in a global context. And the ninth one is strategic planning. Overall, it highlights the importance of planning in business growth and expansion. It offers insights into how companies make decisions about investment capacity and the market entry. From an insider's perspective, individuals within the company and the industry can gain a deeper understanding of the company's growth strategy, its commitment to increasing production and exports, and its competitive positioning in the global market. It may also serve as a benchmark for similar companies in the industry looking to expand their operations and reach new markets. Hope you liked the video. Let's unlock together your full potential and achieve remarkable success in the world of business. If you're new to the channel, do like, share, and subscribe for more such content related to business and finance. Till then, goodbye everyone.